Hey everybody, quick update. The Washington Post has reported that quietly House leadership and Senate leadership in Congress has finally put up the January 6th plaque commemorating and honoring the police officers who were injured and who suffered from the attack on the Capitol. It is incredibly important that we as a country remember what happened on January 6th. And the plaque is a visual reminder for anybody who goes to the Capitol to keep history and preserve history. It is every generation's responsibility to preserve history as it is, to speak the truth, even if it sounds bad, even if it is talking about something that we are not proud of, even if it is about our mistakes, and even if it is about an insurrection that Donald Trump incited on January 6, 2021, it is important for us to honor law and order and to never forget what happened on January 6th. Donald Trump conspired to defraud the United States and conspired to deprive Americans of our right to vote. And as part of that conspiracy, he incited a violent riot that caused the deaths of more than one police officer and one of Donald Trump's loyalists. And we must never forget that. And that plaque is a reminder. It is an honor for the police officers who defended democracy that day. And it is a reminder that we must never forget January 6th for what it was. And we will never let history remember it as anything other than a violent insurrection that took the lives of more than one person. And it was incited by Donald Trump, and it was an attack on our Congress. All of those things are now written on the wall of our Congress. And that is the least that MAGA leadership could do after they egged and enabled Donald on so that Donald Trump could return. And now we're seeing the mess we're in because of Donald Trump's return to the White House. That's a whole different topic. But this is proof that if we sustain our cause, if we keep on insisting that the right thing be done, that the right thing will be done, because ultimately it is our government. It is for us. It is by us. It is so that we may have a republic that we can pass on to future generations, a republic of law and order, of proper history and tradition, and rejection of hate, violence, and lies. Thank you so much for listening. It's a good day today, and I will talk to you soon.